If you've already attempted to adjust your throttle cable to keep it from coming out of its seat, and the problem persists, then the likelihood is that the cable is kinked and needs to be replaced. To do so, you will need a pair of needle nose pliers and a No. 2 Phillips screwdriver with a long shank. Start by holding the end of the cable with your pliers, and loosen the Phillips head screw that secures the inner cable to the carburetor throttle arm, as well as the tube that serves as the seat for the outer cable. This will allow you to slide the cable out from the carburetor. Remove the blue shields from your tractor, then carefully pull out the cable, taking note of the way it's routed through the machine. When you reach the handlebars, slide the outer cable out of its seat in the throttle lever housing. Notice that the front portion of the housing has an open slit in the bottom of it so that the inner cable can drop down through it. Remove the fixed round disc at the end of the inner cable from the corresponding recess in the lever to free the cable completely. Before installing your new cable, remove the inner portion of the new cable from its housing and spray a bit of silicone-based lubricant inside the housing before replacing the inner portion for installation on the tractor. This will aid in the cable's smooth performance. Route your new cable, pointed in first, through the tractor using the same pathway as the cable you removed, and before securing it at the carburetor end, install it at the handlebars. Place the disc end into the recess of the throttle lever disc, fit the cable into the groove on the bottom of the disc, and seat the outer cable into the throttle lever housing. Before moving on to the other end, set the throttle lever to full idle. Slide the inner cable through the securing tube, and then through the hole in the swiveling barrel nut on the carburetor's throttle arm. Once the outer cable is seated inside the securing tube, tighten that screw. Then, using your needle nose pliers, gently pull the inner cable straight, though not completely taut, and continue to hold it while tightening the anchor screw. Start your tractor and test to ensure that the cable is functioning properly. Raise your throttle lever to full throttle and confirm that the carburetor control arm is contacting the horizontal high-speed screw. Then lower the throttle lever to its lowest position and confirm that the cable does not come out of its seat at the throttle lever. If you encounter any issues, follow the procedure for adjusting the cable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more. To contact us about the content of this video, please call 1-800-543-1040 or email info@bcsamerica.com. Thank you.